Gemini Fire Management Systems is one of the UK's leading specialists in fire suppression, with particular expertise in the protection of critical commercial enterprises such as data centres.
Gemini Fire are experts in offering turnkey installations for data centres anywhere in the world.
Gemini have played a major part in this installation.
Here in North London is a brand new data centre belonging to Sovereign Business Integration Group. This state-of-the-art installation is in line to be the first Tier 3 data centre within the M25, so protection of its systems is paramount.
Our client expects to have security, reliability of their systems, but also the functionality that we provide for them. As we act as their IT department or we complement their IT people, they just expect us to be here 24/7, and that's what we provide.
Gemini were called in by Sovereign initially to offer their established fire suppression expertise. Operations Manager George Phillips.
Through Gemini's knowledge within the fire suppression industry, we were able to provide the optimum solution to Sovereign to protect their data centre. This comprised of individual systems to protect particular rooms, to a multi-cylinder selector valve system to protect the 3 main data halls.
George and his team started with designing and installing the finest gas suppression system on the market.
Gemini consider the ProInert System to be the optimum solution for this type of installation, and therefore we're happy to recommend it to Sovereign for their data centre.
Fike's ProInert System is the #1 fire suppression system for use in a data centre environment.
Fike's ProInert system delivers inert gas that extinguishes the fire with little or no impact on equipment or personnel, allowing for uninterrupted data center operation. From the central cylinder room, pipework and nozzles were installed throughout the facility, providing full cover to the data halls both across the ceilings and in the floor voids.
At this data centre, Sovereign have employed cold aisle containment. This means cold air is forced via the grills into the cold aisle. This is then drawn across the servers via the cabinets, and the heat is rejected into the hot aisles. Due to this, it was necessary to install a number of additional detectors and nozzles to provide adequate cover across the hall. As well as providing a selector valve system to protect the main data halls, a number of standalone systems were installed to protect critical areas. This system was installed to protect the LV switch room.
While Gemini were bringing their fire industry expertise to the project, it soon became clear to Sovereign that Gemini could offer so much more.
The additional services we were able to provide range from primary and secondary power to data containment, the built environment, and the commissioning and the future running of the project once the data centre went live.
Gemini became part of our team. They're ongoing now. They have their own passes to get into the building. They're free to walk in here at any time of day they want.
One of the challenges to anybody looking to construct a data centre is the amount of raw power that is required to operate all the computer equipment. The added challenge to this building is the original construction was a 1960s build, with an incoming power of 300 amps per phase. The required power for this data centre is actually 3.5 MVA, and with Sovereign we managed to design a system to give twin incoming streams, both capable of providing 3.5 MVA. To satisfy the need for redundancy, we installed 2 power streams into the data centre. These were colour-coded grey and green. This concept was taken from the incoming switchboards through to the PDUs and finished into the power strips within the data cabinets.
Gemini go the extra mile when they're doing an installation. The little details that are added to the installation that go above and beyond the specification go that little bit extra to creating customer satisfaction. And this is one of the reasons why Fike enjoy working very closely with Gemini.
And they are like family, and they will be working with us when we go to second, third data centres. No two ways about it.
Gemini have provided a turnkey solution to Sovereign for their data centre facility.
Couldn't have been done without them.
Gemini, the experts in data center fire protection.